Hey, is the airbag in your automobile a ticking time bomb? Do you currently own a Toyota, or are you thinking about getting one because of its dependability? Your viewpoint is about to shift. Toyota just took a decision that infuriated everyone while compromising the safety of its passengers. Is Toyota slipping away gradually? Will Toyota's electric future live up to the expectations, or will the business ultimately lose ground to behemoths like Tesla? We'll explain everything to you in this video. Let's start now. Toyota's problems go beyond traditional vehicles and into the electric vehicle (EV) industry, where it must contend with ferocious rivalry from long-standing competitors and aspirational newcomers. When it was discovered that the company's EV advertisements in the UK and Ireland included false promises concerning charging times and the accessibility of high-speed charging stations, those advertisements came under examination. Concerns are raised about the company's credibility in the quickly expanding EV market by the later action the Advertising Standard Agency took against Toyota and Hyundai. As the world transitions to an automotive future that is cleaner and more sustainable, automakers must demonstrate their dedication to this vision through clear and accurate marketing. Solid-state batteries with an outstanding 745-mile range and a rapid 10-minute recharge had attracted interest and raised expectation for Toyota's EV chances. However, Toyota's record in the production of EVs hasn't exactly been stellar. The company falls short of rivals that are quickly increasing their EV products and investing heavily in R&D, producing only 8,000 EVs in the first half of 2023. Toyota's position in the quickly changing EV market, where innovation and agility are crucial, may be jeopardizing by the slow pace. Long-term consequences may result from Toyota's reluctance to fully embrace the electric future and its continued concentration on hybrid technology. Toyota has had success with hybrids in the past, but the auto industry is undergoing a radical change, and the popularity of fully electric vehicles is rising. Businesses that don't adapt to the shifting environment risk losing ground and becoming irrelevant. Toyota's existing products, including the electric bZ4X and the hydrogen-powered Mirai, are up against fierce competition from manufacturers who have already made a name for themselves in the EV industry, with enticing and well-liked electric cars. The company's plans for EVs has been seriously impacted by the recall of the bZ4X, Toyota's first mass-produced EV. Toyota and Subaru, who jointly manufactured the bZ4X and Subaru Solterra, were both impacted by the global recall of 2,700 vehicles due to the possibility of wheels falling free. Due to the substantial concerns this recall has generated regarding the effectiveness of Toyota's quality control procedures, the firm is under immediate pressure to take corrective action. The offer to purchase back impacted EVs and the possible effects on tax credits could have a financial impact in addition to affecting consumers' perception and trust. Toyota needs to take a proactive and all-encompassing approach to address these complex issues. Consumer confidence must be rebuilt by enhancing quality control procedures and making sure that automobiles undergo extensive testing before being released. In order to restore trust and show a commitment to swiftly resolving difficulties, open and transparent communication with affected consumer and the general public is essential. Toyota needs to increase EV production and see to the successful advancement of solid-state batteries in order to reclaim its momentum in the EV industry. These batteries have great potential for increased range and quick charging, but serious research and development efforts are needed to make these potentials a reality. Innovative branding and marketing techniques will be essential to Toyota's comeback. Customers who care about the environment will be attracted to a company that builds on its reputation for dependability while establishing itself as a pioneer in sustainable mobility. Toyota will be able to stand out from rivals and win over a new generation of customers by articulating a clear vision for the future of electric transportation and integrating its corporate principles with overreaching societal objectives. The path ahead for Toyota is marked by possibilities and difficulties. Toyota has the ability to recover its position as an industry leader by tackling safety issues head-on, stepping up its EV efforts, and adopting a disruptive strategy to the changing automotive scene. The path ahead will be challenging, but with a dedication to excellence and a constant pursuit of innovation, Toyota can successfully negotiate the intricacies of the automotive world and emerge stronger, reinforcing its position as a dependable carmaker in people's hearts all around the world. How can Toyota overcome its EV market problems and catch up with rivals? Post your comments in the section below. And for excellent material, please like and subscribe to the channel.